Camden's Thanksgiving Day. You're good, you're good.
Okay.
All right, are you ready? Let's do this.
So cute. Yeah.
Mr. Turkey, Mr. Turkey, run away. If you don't be careful, you will be a mouthful. Thanksgiving Day.
Now they want two to come.
One more time. Mr. Turkey, run away, run away. If you don't be careful, you will be a mouthful. Thanksgiving Day, Thanksgiving Day. Great job. Let's do our. Hello, Mr. Turkey. How are you? His feet go wobble wobble, and his head goes gobble gobble. Hello, Mr. Turkey. How are you? One more time. Come over here so we don't hurt our friends. Come here. Hello, Mr. Turkey. How are you? You can still do it. Hello, Mr. Turkey. How are you?